Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're unsure how to effectively make money online or make money with affiliate marketing, all these people are talking about different ways to actually do that. But I'm going to show you one technique that actually works. So if you really want to learn how to actually run a profitable business online, make money online, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, make sure that you absolutely smash that notification bell so that you get notified every Tuesday when I put out a new video. So a lot of people have been, learning all about this with my channel, learning different techniques and actually how to actually do this profitably instead of, making quick money online and actually making it not work. So make sure that you're the next one and actually do this. So make sure you do this, and now it's your turn to actually make some money. So how are you actually going to do this? Well, the first thing is you're going to find something that you're actually interested in, because if you're not interested in anything, then you need to start to get interested in something. Maybe you're interested in making money online because you're watching this video. Try to find something that you're interested in. Now, if you really want to make money, there's quite a few ways that you can actually do this. Quite a few topics. So for example, if you're working out, that's a great one. If you're trying to make money online, personal finance, anything related to money, anything related to health, so fitness and all these different things as well. Or, for relationships. So if you're good at, attracting girls or socializing with different people or talking in front of different people, you're somebody that's confident, that's also a great way to make money. So basically, relationships is a good one. Anything related to money and anything related to health, that is something that's profitable. Now, if you're not interested in any of these, don't worry, you can still make money. There's, different ways, and you'll probably make more money if you're actually doing something that you enjoy rather than something that you don't. So the next thing is you want to do something about it. You want to put it out there, put the information out there. So a great way to do this is through a search engine. Now, the two biggest search engines in the world are YouTube and Google. Actually, Google is the first, YouTube is the second, but YouTube is owned by Google. So then that's, basically Google rules the search engine game right now. So with that information, what you need to do is to actually build something on these things. So maybe it's a blog. If you're good at writing, then it's a blog. Or if you're not, then it's a YouTube channel. I'm not particularly good at writing, and it's not going to be comfortable, but you do have to get out of your comfort zone to build a real online business and actually make a profit, make some real money online. So once you learn how to do this, your first videos will be terrible, and that's just the way it is. And I'll probably make a video about how to actually film your first videos, which I think I did, but quite a while ago. So then, once you did that, you want to focus on one thing. You don't want to write a blog and do a YouTube channel and build an Instagram account and, build a Snapchat or whatever it may be. Just focus on one thing. Even if you do have these things around you, it's a great thing to have, but you want to have your main focus on one thing. So, comment below if you have any of these social medias. I'd be really interested. Maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have an Instagram, maybe you wrote a blog in the past, or anything that you have or had in the past, or you're planning to have. I'd be really interested in knowing, if you have tried anything in these. Because the next thing is, even if you have these things, then you want to be consistent. Consistency is extremely important when you're trying to actually build a business. You want to treat it as a business and not as a side hobby or anything like that. So be consistent. And I know that last week I skipped my video, but that's my fault and there's no excuse to do that. But, you know, at one point I was putting out videos every single day, so you do want to do that. Also, you never want to give up. Giving up is the worst thing that you can do. You never want to do that. That's something that, you know, it just happens. You know, you'll see people that have different channels that grow way faster than you. You know, I've seen channels that grow way faster than mine. You know, it's just something like that. That's just, people are natural. Some people take longer, but the ones that really win aren't the ones that grow the fastest right from the start. They're the ones that actually put in the work and stay consistent and work harder than anyone else. You know, trying to improve in any different area of your videos, or, you know, if you're building a blog, same thing, write better blogs, write better articles and things like that. Now, I don't have a blog, but I do have a YouTube channel, and, you know, you want to improve every single time. So once you have that, you know, you built something on your blog or something on YouTube, there's something that, you know, you'll never make money online, or real money online, if you don't have a sales funnel. Having a sales funnel is extremely important. That's, you know, if you have an audience but you don't have a sales funnel, there's no point, because, you know, you will get ad revenue, but it's going to be extremely hard to actually make some money, because people that have, you know, they say that the money is in the follow-up, and that's really, really true. The money is in the follow-up. There's no question about that. So how do you follow up? Well, you get people on your email list and you send them some better information, some more information, some, you know, anything that you want to have. So if you really want to learn how to, if you're serious about this and you want to learn, you know, to actually make some money online, you know, I have a link in the description where you can join my Builderall team and, you know, learn how to build a sales funnel. I also have some videos in the description to learn how to build a sales funnel. It's actually going to be, you know, a whole series, so you can watch that and you can start from zero to actually having a sales funnel that's actually running. So make sure you click on that link if you're serious, because most people are not, but hopefully you're really wanting to grow and you want to do this. So having a sales funnel is extremely important. Just remember that. That's just something that you want to have. Being consistent, having some sort of way where you talk to the world, so a blog or a YouTube channel, and having a sales funnel. These are the most important things, like, period. That's just the way it is. So make sure that you check out these videos that I was talking about, so that you actually learn this. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I put a video out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.